Rookie 1, 2, 3. Want to know who'll be the next K-pop star? Every Sunday on Seung-shik's Rookie 1, 2, 3, we'll introduce you to 3 or more rookies who wishes to be just that. And then we will play their songs for you so you can judge for yourself whether they have what it takes to be the next K-pop star. And joining me in the studio, we do have Yeom Guitar.
Hello.
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 How are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
Good, not bad, not bad.
Yeah?
How was Christmas?
Oh, it was just great.
Really, what did you do on Christmas?
I went to Jeju Island.
Really?
Yep, I did go to Jeju.
Why?
Why? Because I wanted to.
Just for the holiday?
Yeah.
Oh.
Spent the Christmas Eve and the day Christmas.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
With a girl?
Well, person.
A person.
A person.
Uh-huh. Okay. I will not ask further then.
Because this is very sensitive question, because if it was a man, it would be I'll be embarrassed to spend.
No, you can go with a friend.
Or if it was a girl, it's...
I mean, it's just going to
Because
be
last week I said I didn't have any person to spend time with, but then I just, maybe I was just lucky to,
Maybe.
Maybe I was lucky, or maybe I was just...
Jeju Island, that itself is great. But if you went with a lady, that'd be like, oh, extra special Christmas.
Right.
And then if you went with a guy, it's like a kind of a lonely Christmas in front of the ocean.
Yes, if it was with a guy, it would be like, ew, Christmas Eve with a male friend, and I'm a male.
Actually, this is very different for our listeners probably, because they're probably thinking, isn't Christmas a time to spend with your family?
Oh, right, yeah.
But in
That's
Korea,
true.
not really true.
Yeah, we spend Christmas. We spend the time with family during the New Year's.
True.
Right? Because we have the Oriental New Year's in early
That is true.
January. So we have lots of time to spend time with the family. So why not Christmas?
That is true, actually.
Yeah, so I had a great time.
Oh, good.
What did you do?
Me, I actually stayed home on Christmas.
Oh, good for you.
But you know what? I have to every year because Christmas is my mom's birthday.
Oh, is that right?
We actually went to
wonderful.
a theme park.
Really?
Because my nephew, he is little, and they all come over to our house on Christmas Day.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And we have it's like a birthday / Christmas every year.
So it became like a family thing.
Yeah,
that's
and then
nice. That's really nice.
And because of the nephew, and also ladies, us, we actually like theme parks, not because of the rides, but more because of the decoration.
And the atmosphere during the Christmas. Yes,
right.
it's lovely.
So my mom for a week or two has been going on about how she wants to see the Christmas feeling, the atmosphere, the lighting.
Theme park is the most perfect place.
It is.
To have the feeling. Church is great, but if you go to church, you have the whole, like sermons and everything.
It's a little bit, different.
It's different. It's not much of a celebration,
True. Yeah, so
I think we all had a great time.
Yeah, I guess so. Kind of a different Christmas, but
very different.
Still good.
But Jeju in winter, it's something different. It's really nice. Because I went to Jeju Island maybe almost 6-7 times so far.
Wow, that's
Mostly
a lot.
it was just working because I had to go play for the show. But it's really nice during winter time because it's not that cold.
Really?
First of all, a lot of people go to Jeju during winter.
But Jeju snows a lot.
Not too much. Not as much as in this mainland, Korean peninsula.
Okay.
So yeah, Jeju is pretty nice. It's less cold.
So.
So you should check out someday.
I will. Thank you.
You should.
Right, so let's get on track now. Let's talk about some rookies.
Okay, we're gonna start out with a great, very talented musician.
Oh, wow. I don't think you've ever described any rookie like that. A great, very
it's like
talented.
the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, this musician, let's get to the point straight. This musician's name is Inare from Real Collabo. So Real Collaboration, the short form, I think. This is Radi's company.
Right. I know.
Roddy. Yeah, Roddy. He's one of the most musically and commercially successful K-pop artists. Right.
Which is quite interesting because he's not like a full-on promoter of his music. He doesn't go on TV.
Right. And he
everywhere.
only has like 2 albums
Oh, wow.
on his name. And he's a singer-songwriter and producer.
Right.
And Inare, she belongs to the label.
Okay.
And she has released her second single. Not second album, but only second single from
Okay.
Real Collabo.
Right.
Just for the winter season. This is a song called Deep Sky Blue Champagne.
Oh. From what I hear, everybody in this label are singer-songwriters. Right? So what kind of a music is this one? Deep Sky Blue Champagne.
Okay, this is a great urban acoustic tune based on a bossa nova rhythm
Oh.
with a beautiful melody sung by Inare.
I like bossa nova as well. Sounds interesting.
Okay, she's a singer-songwriter and arranger.
She did everything.
She did it all. Quite impressive. And you should check out her debut single.
Okay.
It's called Raining in Amsterdam. I
Ah.
love them. Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't.
Amsterdam is a beautiful city.
Oh.
They all have these little canals.
Right.
There are like, I don't know, like 100 canals in that small city. And you can basically ride on your bicycles everywhere.
So I'm going to
Really
hope for you
beautiful.
that you go to Amsterdam next Christmas.
Oh, yeah. That could be nice.
Right.
Okay. With somebody else.
Somebody else.
With someone else. No, I don't want to go alone.
Okay.
Anyways,
Right.
this song, her debut song, Raining in Amsterdam, it's a great song too. You should check out. And I liked Roddy's sound. Mainly because he could somehow make the sound of Korean language doesn't sound too Korean or
Oh.
awkward
That is kind of true.
with, let's say, Western music.
Right.
Do you know what I mean?
I think I
I
do.
mean, his music
Right.
is really, sounds really natural, but very stylish.
And very, how should I put it? Like R&B that we used to from like the States.
Yes,
But
yes.
it's with Korean
Words. And they go, it sounds really natural. And it's
Exactly.
a talent.
It is. It
Yeah.
is.
I mean, you gotta admit that there's definitely a difference between English and Korean language.
True.
The whole nuance is different. It's just different language, right? And Roddy, he can combine those two sound really, really well. And they
Right.
sound really natural together.
So how's Inare then?
She does it too.
Oh,
But in a different way.
Okay.
If Roddy is more into like R&B sound, Inari, she's more into acoustic sound than like bossa nova and jazz. You know, but somehow she can really, really mingle this sound together.
Oh, wow.
And what's really hitting me is that she is only 20 years old.
20.
She's born in 1993. That's killing me.
She is
I was
young.
really shocked. And she's got this video, not like a professional video. Somebody, took the footage of her and they just edited the whole thing together
Okay.
while she's working in the studio. She's cute.
Oh.
Just
You have
was
a
like-
lot of compliments for this girl.
But okay, in the first place, she
Right.
has this great sense of talent in music. I was really surprised.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you gotta keep an eye. She's great.
Wow.
I'm really like this. Like the first time I'm ever saying this.
You really, really like it.
I like her stuff.
Oh.
She's got this amazing sense, the feel, the talent in what she does.
Oh,
I
wow.
really like how she writes the lyrics and the melody,
Right.
how she puts all the chorus thing, and she's a good singer too.
Oh, wow.
And she can somehow like really manipulate the sound in her style.
Okay.
She's really young. She's crazy. I think she's really great.
But I think
Mm-hmm.
everyone in Radi's label are very kind of like that. They
Yeah.
have something
Right,
extra.
Right, she's got that extra thing.
Right, and you always say, oh, I'm giving them this point because, if they did a little bit more, I'm going to give you some more. But yeah, that was missing for me. But this time, I'm really expecting high scores because this girl has that extra.
Yeah, she's got that extra, and she's got the video. Although it's not professional, at least she's got something to show
Right?
to people. And the whole thing, yeah, she's great.
So your score.
I give her 9.
Wow.
Yeah, that's like the best score ever.
Exactly.
Yep.
So what does someone have to do to get 10? 10 out of 10.
I don't know. It's not something I can, judge or anything. It's just I don't know, maybe with all those musical talent and really pretty, really nice body, and just be like 18, 19, 20, something like that. I don't know. I don't know.
He's just pulling
for a guy,
yeah.
you know, maybe he's like 6 foot tall, really, really good looking,
Okay.
really terrific singer.
Okay. So
Young.
it's going to be very difficult to get 10 out of 10.
Yes. It's not good. and he has to just change the whole music scene as soon as it just comes in, or he or she.
Okay.
You know? Otherwise,
All right. So this is a very, very good score.
yeah, she's great. I mean, really, really great.
Okay. Let's check out this song that, Yeom is just so passionate about. The song called Deep Sky Blue
But
Champagne.
you know what? Before we play this song, it's just my personal point of view.
Oh, true.
Right.
I mean, this is all personal. I mean,
All
this
right.
is subjective. It's
Right.
not
Thank you.
something
Thank
for
you.
everybody. But yeah, let's check it out. The song called Deep Sky Blue Champagne by Inare.
Deep sky blue champagne 몰래 산타가 주고 간 선물 스탑트랍다 그댄 아는지 Deep sky blue champagne 그대와 함께라면 언제나 특별한 Merry Christmas Merry Christmas 1년을 기다려온 Christmas Day 그대와 걸으면서 듣고 싶은 Santa baby Santa baby 우와, 뚜루뚜. Like honey baby 좀 더 달콤하게 아름다운 음악 속을 여행하는 우리 위해 준비한 Sweet champagne One, two 스타라따따 Deep sky blue champagne 빨간 와인들보단 가볍게 가깝게 다가가고 싶은 걸 Deep sky blue champagne 어색해진 분위기가 부끄러운 걸 어떡해 1년을 기다려온 Christmas Day 그대와 걸으면서 듣고 싶은 Santa baby Santa baby 우와, 뚜루뚜. Like honey baby 좀 더 달콤하게 아름다운 음악 속을 여행하는 우리 위해 준비한 Sweet champagne Like honey baby 이제는 고백할게 새로운 나날들을 함께 맞이하는 우리 위해 준비한 Sweet champagne 그대와 함께 하고 싶어 Christmas time 굽어진 길가를 따라서 이 기분에 녹아들기로 해 One, two, three 어느새 지도에서 나본 그 모양들로 가득해 다행히 신고 나온 림부츠 귓가를 간지럽히는 저 라운지 뮤직 스타라따따라빠 You and me 멈춘 채로 걸어가 The rain is falling 말론 다 전하지 못할 아름다움 속으로 이끌려 The rain is falling 금세 날 어두운 구름 위로 올려다 놓고 It's raining Amsterdam 누구나 새로운 시작과 낭만을 꿈꾸는 곳 The Amsterdam 유난히 거칠어진 공기 갈 곳을 잃은 건너편 작은 새들도 스타라따따라빠 You and me 시계를 멈춘 채로 걸어가 The rain is falling 말론 다 전하지 못할 아름다움 속으로 이끌려 The rain is falling 금세 날 어두운 구름 위로 올려다 놓고 The rain is falling 말론 다 전하지 못할 아름다움 속으로 이끌려 The rain is falling 금세 날 어두운 구름 위로 올려다 놓고
You're listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shannon Arirang Radio. This is our Sunday Corner Rookie 1, 2, 3. And you might be wondering, what? 2 songs? What was our previous song we just heard, Yeom?
Yes, it's by
Inare.
Raining in Amsterdam. Yeah, our producer, she's been so gracious.
Yeah,
So-
because you were so passionate about her. We played you another song, Raining in Amsterdam. I like that song.
Yeah, it's a great song.
It sounds a lot like Radi's style.
Yeah, but it's more acoustic, right? And
But Radi is very acoustic sometimes too.
yeah, but he's got that like urban feel, but she's got more the jazz feel.
True, a little bit if you had to make the distinction. But I think labels are like that. You know, labels are filled with people with similar colors.
Yeah, it has to be. Always, yeah, it happens that way.
Right. All right, let's now talk about another rookie.
Okay, we have another top 3 singer from the audition program 위대한 탄생, The
Oh.
Great Birth, season 3.
Okay.
오병길.
Oh, I don't think I know much about this guy.
Right.
Actually.
He did a duet single called 귀뚜라미 Cricket with Seung-shik. She's another star from K-pop star.
I think I know who this
Yeah.
girl is. Yes. How is the song?
It's a nice ballad. But this is the new song. Finally came out just for 오병길.
Oh,
This is like his first single alone himself.
all right. So what's the song like?
Okay, it's a song called 눈이 와요.
눈이 와요.
It's snowing. It snows. I love it. He's a great singer.
Okay.
You'll see when we play this song for you. There's only this one piano and his
Only
voice.
the piano.
Yeah, isn't it just lovely?
I actually like those songs right now.
No additives. Like literally just one piano. Piano is like the only instrument.
I
played
like that.
in this song.
I like that a lot.
And his
actually.
voice. And there's just a little bit of female chorus in the background. But it's all just mostly his just one voice and only a piano.
Oh wow.
And the song sounds really, really full and complete.
Oh wow. Right. This guy, do you know anything more about this guy? I mean, he was part of the audition program, The Great Birth season 3. I'm sort of sensing that he's gonna be a little bit more older than I guess people in say K-pop star.
Yeah, well, he's good looking.
Oh.
Now, all the great singers nowadays, they're good looking.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that your personal thought?
My personal thought, maybe.
Yeah, you think all the singers are really good looking these
Mostly,
days?
or if you're a good singer, you seem to be good looking.
Okay.
Like for female singers too. You know, if they're good singers.
So what
they're
about
good looking.
yourself then?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm asking you.
No, I don't have. I don't
You
judge
said all
myself.
singers
by-
are very good looking, so you think you are as a musician. How
I
would
want
you
to ask
rate
my
yourself?
producer. Jinokjang, 우리-
She doesn't want to.
No, I think she just gave us the answer.
Oh, she think?
She says no, you're not.
Oh.
Okay. Well, okay. So Oh Byung-gil, he's good looking,
Right.
and his company is called a Crazy Company, a Crazy Sound.
Crazy Sound.
But the music,
A quite a well-known.
yeah, Crazy Sound
Label,
company.
right?
It's a
Company.
well-known label.
Right.
But the music is not crazy. It's
music's
completely
not crazy.
quiet. I really like how they did with his first single.
So it's
Since he's
a ballad, right?
It's a ballad. It's a really quiet ballad for winter, for Christmas. This song, it's a love ballad. Not like broken-hearted love, but love.
Like really happy love?
Happy love.
All right.
So, Oh Byung-gil's voice is fully capable of, sending the message.
Oh.
It's
the
a very
nice
romantic
Christmas
voice.
romantic
Yes,
message.
yes. And this is definitely a great attempt during this season because, there's so many Christmas songs out there
Right.
with heavy, just, cheerful sound
That's
all the
true,
time.
like bell sound. and
Yeah, I
everything.
don't like those. But he just comes out, his first debut, has really quiet piano with his voice. But his voice is not quiet. He's a great singer. Like I keep saying this, but the reason why they had that one piano and his voice is that he's capable of singing. He's got the talent with his voice.
Well, you know
They were
what? I
confident.
actually love songs these days with just the piano as the instrument. So I think we should really check out the song.
Yeah.
But before we do, of course, I have to ask you your score.
I will give him 7.5.
That's quite good.
That's right.
Right. I mean, we've had a lot of sevens as well. So 7.5 is not a bad score for a rookie.
All these guys, the songwriters and Oh Byung-gil guy, and they all did a great job together.
Oh, wow.
Great producing, I think.
So just one piano, one voice. So let's check out the song right now by Oh Byung-gil. It's a song called 눈이 와요. It's snowing.
하늘에 눈이 내려요 내 작은 어깨로 소복히 쌓여 내리는 눈처럼 우리 사랑 내 맘 가득히 퍼져가네요 영원히 두 손 꼭 잡고 같이 걸어가요 새겨진 발자국만큼 그대 사랑해요 눈이 와요 세상에 가득히 내려요 새하얀 거리를 그대와 걸어요 눈이 와요 거리에 퍼지는 노래가 우리 사랑을 축복하네요 내 눈에 보이는 그대 모습에 차가운 겨울이 난 따스한 걸요 찬바람이 불어와도 날 놓지 말아요 새겨진 발자국만큼 그대 사랑해요 눈이 와요 세상에 가득히 내려요 새하얀 거 영원히 나 함께해. 눈이 와요. 세상에 가득히 내려요. 새하얀 거리를 그대와 걸어요. 눈이 와요. 거리에 퍼지는 노래가 우리 사랑을 축복하네요. 뚜뚜 뚜루루 뚜루루. 바람이 내 머리를 스치며 내 곁에 네가 온 것만 같아. 두 눈을 감아도 내 귀를 막아도 내 가슴이 널 부르나 봐. 어느새 돌아온 계절이 잊었던 널 데려왔나 봐. 태연한 척해도 애써 외면해도 널 기억하는 눈물이 흘러. 귀뚜라미 울면 네가 더 그리워. 하늘의 별만큼 널 보고 싶어. 아직 널 사랑하나 봐. 네가 보고 싶나 봐. 이별마저도 사랑했나 봐. 한여름 내리는 비처럼 네가 날 찾아온 것만 같아. 아무리 참아도 가슴을 쳐봐도 널 기억하는 눈물이 흘러. 귀뚜라미 울면 네가 더 그리워. 하늘의 별만큼 널 보고 싶어. 아직 널 사랑하나 봐. 네가 보고 싶나 봐. 이별마저도 사랑했나 봐. 어쩌다 마주치는 저 바람처럼 갑자기 찾아오는 소나기처럼 우리 추억이 널 데려온다. 귀뚜라미 울면 네가 더 그리워. 하늘의 별만큼 널 보고 싶어. 정말 네가 내 사랑인가 봐. 내겐 전부인가 봐. 아직도 너를 기다리나 봐. 돌아오면 돼. 귀뚜라미 울면.
You're listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shannon Arirang Radio. This is our Sunday corner, Rookie 1, 2, 3. And again, we heard two songs from Oh Byung-gil, right?
Yep.
So the first one was 눈이 와요, it's snowing. The second one was
귀뚜라미 cricket. See, his first, I mean, the song you just heard,
Right.
which is the first song came out with another singer, Seung-shik Yeom. He couldn't really show his whole ability, like from the low pitch to high.
Right.
And his new single, 눈이 와요, has got this whole range of his vocals with the vibrating thing. What do you call it? The vibration. You know, it's really nice. It's very pleasing to listen to.
I
But
kind of like his voice.
yeah, and he's got that huge talent with the singing. But with his first song with Seung-shik Yeom, that's not very much. I would say it's just a great harmony, but nothing too much show. Just for himself.
All right. So you think this the next song that he released, his own solo song, actually showed a lot of his talents. Right.
So I like his first solo song much better.
better.
It's so much better.
Okay. So now I believe we do have some more rookies to talk about. This time, a female rookie.
Yep. The song you're gonna listen to next is by a female singer. Her name is Lee Hwan-hee,
Okay.
or in English, Fanny.
Fanny. Huh. Tell us more.
This is her third single
Okay.
called Tonight. She made a debut with medium tempo ballad single called Lucky, and she was known as former Girls' Generation trainee.
Oh.
That's right. So she had this image of, innocent girl.
Right.
Oh, sorry. The debut single was called 비밀, Secret, not Lucky. So this first debut single, 비밀, Secret, was just perfect for that image in a Girls' Generation trainee, just little.
Right. So
innocent
she was
girl.
training to be part of Girls' Generation,
yes.
which she didn't go
And
into. And her next single after that?
came out early last year. Oh, this year, sorry.
Right.
It's her second single, which was completely different. It was like a dance music.
Huh. She went from the girlish image to a dance.
Just a complete dramatic change of image.
Huh,
I don't know why she
right.
did that. Well, I liked her first image,
Right.
which first came out, like the Girls' Generation thing. Like really, early Girls' Generation with that
A very girlish feminine.
girlish, yes, like the little skirt, really,
Right.
and really I
Young,
don't know,
fresh.
young. The girls you might see in the theme park, those kind of image.
Right.
But she had this complete change.
Did she go sort of like to a sexy dance?
Yes.
Oh.
Try to be really glamorous and stuff like that.
Maybe she thought the first one didn't really work for her, so she wanted some,
Right.
transition. Right.
But anyways, it was a huge change. But then, after she changed the image, she started her acts in China and Taiwan. So she's relatively less well known in Korea. But she was also introduced by MTV as one of the most expected rookies of K-pop.
Oh, wow.
I think it was like last year or this year. Anyway, so her activities in overseas are quite successful.
Right. Maybe she changed her image to suit the overseas market.
True. And her third single came out just recently,
Right.
called Tonight. This is more based on electronic sound.
Ah,
So
electronic.
she keeps changing her style of
She's
music.
trying all different genres.
And now she's back in Korea to really start her, promotions and everything in Korea.
Okay.
So we'll have more a chance to check out her stuff.
Right. And
TV.
I heard that this song Tonight has a lot of featurings.
Yes, one of the rappers from Show Me the Money season 2.
Ah.
He's also the first generation rapper. His name is Heo Chang.
Right.
And he featured in her song. And there's another group called FWS.
Okay.
It's a short form of Funny with Summit.
Huh.
Yeah,
What is
just-
that?
just like,
Honey with Summit, basically.
Yeah, Funny with Summit. So they want to be on top, basically meaning.
Right.
And this is a dance trio.
So they don't sing?
And the two members, female members, are dancers, and one of the other one's Fanny actually.
Oh.
So it's
her team.
her team at the same time.
Very
That's kinda-
interesting.
Yeah, I've never seen thing like that. So you have
Very
your
interesting combination.
you have Lee Hwan-hee, the main singer,
Right.
featuring Heo In-chang, who's a rapper, and at the same time, this
Lee Hwan-hee
group.
again
Yeah,
with
Lee Hwan-hee again with the group.
dancers.
Mm.
Oh.
Maybe they thought, FWS, nobody knows that name, so maybe they wanna use that already somehow recognized name, Lee Hwan-hee, and they wanna go along with other stuff. I don't know.
Maybe.
So something interesting. I don't know. Actually, you could do this. I don't know if you could.
I mean, it's open.
be a
I think you
solo,
can do it.
and you have this whole featuring with rapper and another group you belong to.
I think it'll be like Joy featuring GateFlowers, something like
Oh
that.
yeah. It sounds kind of awkward. It's really hard to comprehend. I don't know.
Right.
Maybe my brain doesn't work that way, but it's really hard to. Anyways, but I mean, she's doing it, and finally back in Korea, trying to start
Her
out.
promos, I guess. Promo
promote.
activities. All right,
Yeah,
I
hope
think we
she,
should, yeah.
Yeah, she does well. I hope everything goes well with her. Yeah.
Let's see if
Finally.
this song works for our listeners too.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a song called Tonight by Lee Hwan-hee featuring Heo In-chang and FWS.
Too late, I wanna wake up with you. Go down if I go. I'm gonna tell you about why it's not.
날 보던 눈, 날 물던 입술, 내 손끝으로 쓰다듬던 뽀얀 네 뺨의 곡선을 타고 흘러내리는 눈물은 우리의 결합된 시간이 얼마 남지 않은 sign. Please don't tell me say goodbye.
이 밤이 가면 다시 볼 수 없는 너. 오늘이 우리의 마지막 밤. 사랑해 이 말도 난 할 수 없는 걸. 이 밤이 지나가면 Tonight is Sunday. Baby I believe in love. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I give you my heart. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I believe in love. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I can't let you go. I will give you my heart.
되게 예뻐 보이려고 그린 너의 아이라인이 번쩍 쉴크하게 돌아서야 할 텐데 냉정하게 내가 먼저 어서 누가 됐던 이별을 뱉어 심장이 멈춘 것 같이 나 숨이 막혀 1분 2초가 계속 1년처럼 우린 이 순간에 리플레이로 갇혀있어
이 밤이 가면 널 지워야만 해. 오늘이 우리의 마지막 밤. 하지마 이 말도 난 할 수 없는 걸. 이 밤이 지나가면 Tonight is Sunday. Baby I believe in love. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I give you my heart. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I believe in love. Tonight is Sunday. Baby I can't let you go. I will give to you.
너와 함께했던 시간들은 가슴에서 차올라 눈물처럼 흘러 학교뒀던 내 감정은 재주기도 전에 아쉬움만 억지로 눌러삼켜 눈 속에서 쉬는 숨처럼 허락된 시간은 달아가죠 점점 얇고 가는 끈처럼 나 쥐고 있는 미련이 곧 끊어질 걸 알고 있어
Tonight is Sunday.
영원할 수 없다는 걸 알아 알면서 그래도 너를 잡아 이 순간은 그 잠시라고 알았던 너를 끝까지 놓고 싶지 않아 영원할 수 없다는 걸 알아 알면서 그래도 너를 잡아 이 순간은 그래 잠시라고 알았던 너를 끝까지 놓고 싶지 않아 Don't tell me say
우리
goodbye
함께 했던 시간들도
Don't tell me say goodbye Don't tell me say goodbye
아름답지만 생각들어도
Don't tell me say goodbye 발로 네 어깨를 감고 같이 바라보던 하늘 내 어깨에 기대서 네가 속삭이곤 했던 말들 그 모든 것들
이 밤이 지나면 모두 사라질 것들.
You're listening to Sound K with me, DJ Shannon Arirang Radio. This is Rookie 123 with Yam Guitar in our studio. Right, one more rookie, and because we're running out of time quickly
Okay,
today.
the very last one.
right.
It's called My Little Memory.
Oh, that's a cute name. My
That's a very
Little
cute
Memory.
name. My Little Memory is a solo project by producer Windmill.
Okay.
Yeah, he's done some projects like Acoustic Collabo, Groove, so Acoustic Groove. The singer for this song, his name is Yoon Jong-won.
Okay.
So My Little Memories, this is My Little Memories' second single. It's called 기쁜 우리 젊은 날.
Oh, interesting. 기쁜 우리 젊은 날. Our joyful young days.
Yes, our joyful. That's a perfect interpretation.
Good, good, good. Right. I
And-
think I've heard of acoustic collabo.
Yeah, Acoustic Collabo was quite successful, I think. I haven't heard a groove, so maybe they're playing some acoustic sound and with the groove, I guess.
Maybe.
And this song, their second single, Happy,
Our joyful young
Our
days.
Joyful Young Days. This, if Oh Byung-gil single was just his voice and the piano, this one by My Little Memory is just the voice and the guitar,
Oh.
which is another perfect song for a quiet winter night.
Oh, again, for the winter. There's a lot of people releasing songs for the winter.
Right. Just the perfect time.
I guess so.
Yep.
So your score for this song?
I would give him 7
Not bad, but not too good either.
because, nothing stands out.
It doesn't have that extra. Yum
No.
always needs that
No,
extra.
you don't have the extra.
That's
It's
sad.
good, but that's it. I mean, I would listen to the song
Right?
if I'm lonely. if I need
Oh,
that
so it's a sad song.
warmness. No, it's not the sad song. It's not a sad song.
Oh.
It's like a celebration of, our young days or whatever.
Oh, okay.
It's a
okay.
great song, but just I don't have that extra. I don't feel that
Oh.
extra thing.
Sad for you, Windmill.
Nothing more, nothing less. Well, you're doing a
Right.
great job, Mr. Windmill.
Yes, producer Windmill. Still doing a great job. Right.
Right.
Right, so let's play this song for our listeners right now. The song by My Little Memory, the solo project by the producer Windmill. The song called 기쁜 우리 젊은 날, Our Joyful Young Days. And with this song, we'll say goodbye to Yum Guitar for this week.
Thank you. See you in
Next year.
next year. Yeah.
Time flies.
Time flies.
Right, we'll have a good New Year's Eve, New
I'll
Year.
try. You too.
Yeah, and I'll see you next week.
See you next week. Bye.
Bye.
하얗게 김이 서린 창문에 비친 내 모습을 보며 나 지금 풍경 속에 남아 낯선 모습으로 변해 겹쳐 떠오르는 어린 시절 나와 내 친구들 모습 그때의 꿈과 약속들 모두 기억하고 있을까 매일 지나는 거리에서 무표정한 풍경들 언젠간 이 모든 것들이 내겐 아주 소중해질 그날에 어디쯤 살고 있을까 우리 무엇을 하며 살아가고 있을까 지금과는 많이 변하겠지만 어디쯤 살고 있을까 우리 항상 내 곁에 있을 줄만 알아서 사랑한단 그 말도 한 번 전하고 싶다 사랑한다는 이 말을 내게 더